What?
Apple.
Apple. Well, go get your apple.
Open into the
What are you eating? What are you having for snack? Dalton, what are you having for snack?
I want to.
You having crackers?
Mama.
More what?
Mama.
Don't whine, honey. Are you painting? Are you painting? Yeah, you got paint on your shirt. Hi, Quinlan. Yeah, you got paint on your shirt too, don't you? Can you show me what you painted? Can you show me what you painted? You painted your bottom? You sure did.
No.
No, what? I didn't even say anything. Can you show me what you painted? You painted the grass. Here, show me your pictures. You gonna start a new one? Is this the one you already painted? Let me see, Colin. Did you make a mess? Gone all over the grass, huh? Well, paint another picture.
Baba.
Can you paint another picture? Paint up there. Paint a picture. Good, Colin. What color is that? What color? Is that black? Paint, that's right. Don't eat it, yuck. I hope that stuff's not poisonous. Gross. Paint, Colin. Can you paint me a picture? Are you mad now? Quinlan, can you come paint for me? It doesn't go in that way. You turn it over. It goes in the other way.
No.
Turn it over. Uh-oh, you're spilling your paint. Hey, Colin. Can you tell Mama noodle?
Noodle.
Noodle.
Uh-oh.
Can you say noodle?
Noodle.
Noodle. That's right. Can you tell Mama pickle?
No.
Pickle.
Hop.
Honey, it doesn't go. You have to turn it over. It goes the other way. Huh, Quinlan? I like your hair. Don't be whiny. Honey, it doesn't go in that way. It goes in this way. Put it in that way.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, Mommy has paint on her hands.
Again.
Huh? We'll put it in the other way, baby.
Yes.
Hey, Colin. Can you tell Mama noodle?
No.
No? Can you tell Mama pickle?
No.
Oh, you're no fun.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, honey, are you getting paint all over my legs? Yep. What? We'll get a cracker. Baby, there is no more, honey. All the paints are out. Dalton, all the paints are over on your easel. Well, paint me a picture. Where are you going to paint? Where are you going to... Huh? Oh, yeah. Go hit it. See what happens. Hit it. Cool. Uh-oh, paint. Is it spilling? You think you're going to need a bath tonight? Dalton, do you need a bath?
No.
You don't. I think you might. Say hi, Braxton. You. Braxton.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, did you drop it? Well, pick it up, baby. We don't want it to spill. Hi, Braxton. Are you being camera shy?
Oh. Look around. Different. Go. Got you.
Baby, don't touch. Baby, you're getting paint all over everything. Yuck. There's nothing I can do about that right now. Dalton, have some sugars? No sugars, please. Mwah, sweet boy. Hey, Braxton. Colin, tell Mama Noodle. Tell Mama Pickle. I love you. I love you. Give Mama sugars. Can you give Mama sugars? Mwah. Uh-oh. Hold on, baby.